Quicklogins are pidder's concept for use as a password manager. Once created, they will let you log in to the web application of your choice from within pidder with a single click. You can choose arbitrarily strong passphrases that are different for each service at last, because you won't have to remember them yourself. Pidder will store them for you securely. In order to create a quick login, I first add a new card. I can do so from either within the toolbox, Edit Card, using the plus icon, or directly from the wallet, clicking on the plus here. The number of cards within pidder is not limited, even in the base edition. Let's say I want to have a card containing a quick login to SourceForge. This is what I name the card then. The toolbox displays the existing quick logins here. Since we haven't created any yet, it is empty for now. Now I need to install the pidder bookmarklets. This needs to be done only once per browser. There are two bookmarklets, pidder trainer and pidder login. Installation is done by adding them to my browser's bookmarks or favourites. The easiest way to do this is by simply dragging and dropping them to the bookmark bar. Now I add a new card segment of the type Authentication, since that one contains the quick login. In my target application, I already have an account with a username and passphrase. I can view the passphrase by clicking on the eye icon, something I won't demonstrate right now for obvious reasons. I could also use the passphrase generator to have pidder create a strong passphrase for me. Next, I click on Add Quick Login. A dialog opens prompting me to paste a quick login structure. Where do I get this structure? To that end, I use a second browser window or tab to navigate to my target application, which is SourceForge in our example. There, I switch to the login page. This is where our first bookmarklet pidder trainer will be used. Clicking on it prompts the next steps. I'm to click consecutively on the input fields for username and password. So I do. The red dotted border that appears around the fields I click show me that my clicks have been registered. After the second click, a dialog opens. In the upper part, there is a step-by-step description of what to do, and the lower part contains a text area showing the quick login structure. So I copy the contents of the text area into my clipboard with Ctrl-C. I can now close the SourceForge window. Back in my Add Quick Login dialog, I now paste the contents of my clipboard using Ctrl-V, and then I click on Load Quick Login. I edit the title as needed. The next field shows the link to the login page of my target application. I leave that as it is. If I check the box Favourite, the quick login will be available in my toolbox. And finally, I can choose from two modes: direct login, which I'll demonstrate first, and form login, which I will explain a little later. The advanced options down here I ignore for the time being. Clicking on Update Quick Login creates the information in the card segment, which I now save. Now my new quick login is available in the card itself, as well as in the toolbox if I made it a favourite. From the toolbox, it is available everywhere within pidder. For non-favourites, I have to navigate to the containing card first. In both cases, a click will result in a new browser window or tab opening me, taking me to the target application and logging me in automatically. Since there are a number of applications that will not support a one-click login like this brings us back to our second mode, the form login. To activate this, I edit the card segment, specifically the quick login it contains, and switch the mode from direct login to form login. I'll leave the option Auto Submit unchecked for now. I'll come back to that in a moment. I update the quick login and save the card segment. When I click on the quick login now, the target application will open in a new window. Only this time I am not automatically logged in, but rather I am taken to the login page. Now I use our second bookmarklet, pidder login, and the fields for username and password are filled. Since I did not activate Auto Submit, I'll have to click on the login button myself. Had I activated Auto Submit, the bookmarklet would have submitted the form automatically as well. And again, I'm logged in successfully. In the meantime, I have created a few more quick logins. Favourites are displayed in the toolbox. You can imagine that the toolbox can become pretty crowded if you have lots of quick logins. So we have an overview window showing all quick logins, also the non-favourites. To get to it, I click this edit icon and a dialog opens. Next to each quick login, there is a card icon that will bring me to the card that contains the quick login. With the checkboxes, I can determine whether an entry will be a favourite or not. Using the quick login icon, I can change the sequence of the quick logins. If there are a lot of quick logins, it is particularly useful to filter the list by typing part of the title up here. The sequence of the quick login favourites can also be changed from the toolbox, again by using drag and drop on the icons.